So the question for week 3 is, a life coach is often viewed as a personal consultant for individuals. What are your personal thoughts about the profession? I think a life coach is great. I think that if you can have somebody help you figure things out and help motivate you, then why not? I mean, personally, I don't think I would get one just because I don't think I can afford one. But if it was free, then I would definitely take advantage of that. I looked up life coaching just because I wanted to get a definite definition, and it says partnering with clients in a thought-provoking and creative process that inspires them to maximize their personal and professional potential. And I also read somewhere else that it said something about just helping you find the answers that you're looking for. So in a way, it's basically somebody coming in and working with you to figure out that you really have the answers inside of you. It's just that maybe you can't really figure them out on your own. I like the motivating part. I think that a lot of us, hit some point in our lives where we tend to look for self-help books. I've done that before. And so I think that it's kind of works in the same way. But you get it as a person. You don't have to read the book and look into all of these different things that you're interested in. So I think it's a great idea. I would definitely recommend it. The only people I could think of right now is Tony Robbins and Ayala Van Zandt. I think she's the lady that comes out on the Oprah channel, and I really like her because she's more of a problem-solving coach. But the motivating part is what really attracts me to that. I think that it's awesome to have somebody there just to kind of help motivate you and help you figure out things that you are a little confused about, especially right now in this really stressful moment in school. We're finishing it up, and I find myself looking to that a lot more. It'll all be over soon, but definitely think that it is a plus. I'm going to be a school counselor. I'm going to be somebody that is going to be working with kids and trying to help them out. And I know I'm not going to be a life coach, but I'm someone that they can go to when they need something. And I think that's what a life coach does as well.